How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be talking about our K-Force Micro 14 linear. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cable. Then you'll notice a connector here at the end of your cable, and that's to be used with our optional SIG plug, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. Now today I am going to be using our optional SIG plug, and again that will plug in via connector here. So let me get my cigarette lighter plugged in, and I'll plug it up to my cigarette lighter port. And then you'll notice you have your on-off switch here with LED indicator showing your light bar is on. And then you have your flash pattern switch here, so you can go through your different flash patterns, you can select a pattern you'd like, and then this unit has memory recall, so when you turn your unit off and back on, you'll notice it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now I did bring an amber unit with me today, but we offer this in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. So let's go over a couple of those. So here we have our standard red-blue unit, and then here we have our green-clear alternating unit. But again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating, and we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. We are using a linear unit here, so you'll notice that you have 6 LEDs per module versus the 4 in TIR. And then when it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath the light bar that you have extra drainage holes underneath each screw hole for even extra moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track on the bottom of your light bar. And then we also offer a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud bracket that you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount this bracket like so. And then we also offer our headache rack mount bracket, which you can mount your light bar to, and then you can sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force Micro 14 linear. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.